Good morning or good afternoon or hello, happy Wednesday to the kvCORE owner and admin mastermind group. This is Annalisa, your fairy squad mother, and I wanted to go over a couple of things on the dashboard of kvCORE just to show you how to access our learning portal, which has a lot of goodies to help you get grounded and a good foundation within kvCORE, as well as our support portal. So when you log into your kvCORE dashboard, if you go down this left-hand side of your dashboard, you're going to see the support portal here with this little question mark and this little learning portal where you click the cap to access all of our online tutorials, which are self-paced that you can come back to and take time and time again, repeat content, review, or start fresh. So the first thing I'm going to show you is the support portal. When you click here, another tab will open up and actually show you all of our written documentation with help articles. So if you're like, gosh, I really have questions on smart campaigns, well, you can either just glance down and see smart campaigns within your marketing, or you can jump up here to the search and just keyword search smart, and it'll give you some options. Or you can say, do I want smart campaigns as a topic, the smart CRM, or smart number? So there's different ways of going about finding niche information. And the cool thing here is it'll show you the smart campaign articles and also popular articles in relation, which is pretty nice. Now, if we go back to the dashboard and we click the cap at the bottom left, this is where a lot of goodness resides. So this is where you're going to find all of these self-paced tutorials. Now, the first thing you can do is you can go to the upper right and see you are automatically logged in when you access it via your dashboard. So you can click on My Account, and you have the ability to upload an image, change your, I wouldn't change your email because that's locked to your kvCORE dashboard, so don't change that. But you could edit your name or your title. Like maybe I'm the IRE Oracle. Maybe you want to upload an image. You can go up here, search out your image, drop it in. There's old Leslie Knope eating some waffles. And then you can change it. You can add in your time zone. There's all sorts of things you can do to change things within settings. And if you go back to the Find Courses, you can see it's split out into kvCORE, Conversion Plus, Marketplace, Lead Gen, and all courses. The neat thing here is you can just click on kvCORE platform and see everything in relation to the kvCORE platform here, and then you'll see 1 and 2 at the bottom. So right now there are 6 courses here available, and if you click the 2, you'll see another one. And we're constantly adding content to this to help you gain that foundation and utilize and leverage kvCORE. Now, if you want to see what you have completed, you can click on My Dashboard here at the upper right, and you can see the courses or My Courses or View More Courses. So you can see what you've completed or what you are completing. It'll give you a percentage of how far you are, and you can also see all of the courses within. Now, if you have any questions anytime on your dashboard, please, please, please engage with support via chat, bottom right-hand side of your dashboard. Another thing to take a look at is if you're wondering, like, hey, is something going on with the system? Just go ahead and pop into your chat and look at the status, all systems. This will tell you how the system is performing, and it actually will show you a graph on all of the products of which we handle. So you can see that anytime via chat. I hope you all have a great day. Bye-bye.